CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Namar ke Jingsatah jong Ñiut harut surok ke yaw musiang kabadon hanong ba Jowai keseng Kongres haka arpusan tarik bena yayong arjar arpuar kala Kynnoh bakani baro kadaitang nakadaw ke jingle bum Salia jong ke Sorkar jela ban weng yakani ke jinge balaya kenduk daki pait ba nongshong shnong jong ke Jowai West Jingsatah Hills District. Hagajing ikren bat kilat pathai kubor u Presiden jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong bau Menteri Ketenat Penroi Sort uba Snia Bhalang Dhar bat u MLA ke Jowai Constituency uba Wailat Miki Shilla kidei ban shimkia halor kani ke benta kenang bagi pait ba kinom kren persya ya ke Sorkar.
Sad to see Jowai becoming the center of business also not only as a district headquarter. I think there's a serious problem in leadership, number one, and number two, there's ego and also there must be some corruption in between also because they cannot identify the land and they have not been able to, I think the trust by the public is not there. They're trying to take all these problem from Jowai to the areas, be it in Sutngai Eleka, be it in area in Amlarem and others. So it's, I think the trust of the public and the government is no more there, and it's become rather like a revenge by the public to the government. So this is the duty of the government, this is the duty of the district administration as well as the government of the day, the government, especially the urban ministers and the local MLA. I think this is a sign that people are trying to revolt against the government. Very easy. They must first identify, work together with the locals and have a technology. Nowadays, lots of in Garwils they are going to install. Why not install in Jowai also? There's a technology, different technology which you convert waste into energy. There's a different technology when you can convert waste even to charcoal. So there's a different technology which can use. If they want, they can do it. If there's no problem in Shillong, no problem in other parts of the state, why the problem is only in Jowai?